Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a recipe that is a little bit longer, a little bit more difficult, but you can cut it down into easy steps. So I think it isn't that much work in the end, but see for yourself. You want to start out with your soy. Now this is like, in German it's called granulat, so it's very fine. And then you want to take some vegetable stock and you want to pour that in. You want to let that sit for a couple of minutes. It will say on the packaging how long it takes. And then you want to get rid of the excess water and just drain it basically. Now you want to add some olive oil, some of this salt. This is like smoked salt. I think that is available pretty much everywhere now. It seems to be quite common now. This is smoked paprika, and this also gives it a very, very nice flavor. Then I think this is cumin in English. I will have all the ingredients listed down below so you can check it all out, and you want to sprinkle that over it. And then a little bit of tomato paste and some thyme. And then you want to go ahead and give that a good mix. Then you want to add some harissa, so this is to make it a little bit more spicy. And just mix again. And then you want to let that sit in the fridge for, half a day or so. Next up, we want to prepare the dough. So you want to take some flour in a bowl. You want to add some salt. And some sugar. And your yeast and some lukewarm water, and you want to knead that into a nice even dough. Then you want to add some olive oil, knead that again, and then let it rest in a warm spot for an hour. Now let's make the sauce. You want to prepare a clove of garlic. Then you want to get a little bowl with some yogurt, and you want to press the garlic into that. You also want to add some lemon juice and some pepper. Give that a good mix, and then just let it sit in the fridge. Next up, you can prepare all of the vegetables that will go onto this. So first off, you want to cut down the onion. Then you want to also cut down some cucumber, bell pepper, and tomatoes. And then you can also wash your lettuce. And again, this can just go to the side and just, put it somewhere where it's safe and will stay fresh. Now we will continue doing the soy bits. And for that, you want to heat up some oil in a pan, and you want to add the onion as well as the prepared soy. And then you want to let that cook on medium to high heat for a while. so it turns like slightly crispy. Meanwhile, you can cut down your feta cheese as well. And then your soy should be ready for that. Just take it off the heat. Now you want to roll out the pizza doughs, and this is about 8 pizzas. You want to prepare a pan without any oil. You want to put the pizza dough in, and with the lid on, let it bake for a little bit. About 5 minutes, and then you can go ahead and turn it around. And you want to take the soy and put that on top and spread it out evenly. Then you can put the lid back on and let that sit for another couple of minutes. Then you want to transfer it onto a plate, and you're ready to fill it up with all the sauce and the vegetables, the lettuce and the feta cheese. So we also added a little bit of hummus because it fits this very nicely. It tastes really good. You can see right there, but this was pre-made stuff. And yeah, just decorate to your liking, put all the good stuff in, and then you basically just roll it up, and that is everything. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you give it a try because it's very, very delicious, and it also looks quite fun. So yeah, I will talk to you soon. Bye!